Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. So if you've been following us on Facebook and Instagram, then you know I haven't been feeling the hottest this week and I have a cold, and it's never fun when you're on the road and you catch a cold. So we have lots of videos talking about how to treat a cold, but today I want to talk about getting ready for the holidays. So the holidays are approaching us quickly, and that means it's time to start prepping and planning. And so next week on Wednesday, the 20th, at 11 a.m. Eastern time, to talk about getting ready for the holidays, getting ready for Thanksgiving, how to pre-plan and prep ahead of time, and how to make it so that you can have an enjoyable Thanksgiving on the road, because I know there are so many of you that have to be on the road during the holiday. We still don't know what our schedule is going to look like, so I already start thinking and planning ahead, and I'm going to help you guys do that. So I want to encourage you guys to listen in, and I'm pretty sure we'll be taking calls. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. That's Sirius XM channel 146 on Road Dog Live with KC Phillips, and so I'm really excited about that. But when I'm talking about tuning in, is there anything special that you guys would like me to cook for you? Like that you want to learn? In years past, and I will link those videos, I have done other Thanksgiving meals and I've done Christmas meals. So I've done turkey, I've done the full spread with like green bean casserole, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, sweet potato casserole, corn, all kinds of stuff. And for Christmas, I've even made Christmas cookie. So I'm gonna make a playlist of holiday meals to help give you guys encouragement. But is there something that you would like me to try to make or help encourage you guys to do? But I'm already going to be thinking about, okay, what foods do I need to get? What do I need to prep? And is there any extra dishes that I need to bring on the truck to make it easier to cook? I know one of the things that I don't regularly carry on the truck is things to make a pie. So a pie pan or a dish that I can make my pie with. I think I'm going to make apple pie this year. In years past, I've done pumpkin, but I'm ready to do apple. So yeah, I need to think of the containers, if I have all the spices, all the ingredients, things like that. It does take some more planning, and maybe cooking in the cab isn't for you quite yet, and maybe you want to start learning and you don't want to go all the way and make a holiday meal. Maybe you need to think about, do you need to go to Cracker Barrel, Bob Evans, order your meal? There's lots of different options for you. Maybe you're just stopping in at the Iron Skillet, I don't know. But do you have a table to sit at when you eat or prep with? And one of our followers recently asked us about our Lagoon table. And so here's a Lagoon table, and they want to know how it mounted. And I realized I don't have a video just for that, so I figured I would go ahead and touch on that, because having the table and a prep area and a dinner table to eat at really makes an amazing difference. And so right down here, you'll see a bracket that's bolted onto the side of here. So it takes 4 screws, and they're really thick screws, and on the other side of that there is a 2x4. So what we did is we took a drill and we drilled 4 small holes into the side of that. That way it wouldn't tear up the carpet or anything like that, or tear up the plastic by cracking it, or metal though. So this piece is actually metal, and so we put that 2x4 on the back side of there to hold it sturdy. We have done it where we've done it on the side of the cabinet, and so we took the wardrober and we put a 2x4 on the inside of there, and then again drilled the pilot holes and put that in there. And so that's how the bottom anchor mounts. So you get one of those brackets, and then you get one of these that makes it adjustable. So it slides on like this. You crank it to the height that you want, tighten it on there, and then it comes with these 2 other parts. And so this is a bracket, and then this is another arm that goes on there, so that way it can be a 360 pivot. And we just went to Lowe's and got this board, stained it, and put it on here. You guys can buy pre-finished wood now at Lowe's and come in whatever size you want. So this is the size we want, and so it just snaps right on there like this, and it allows it to pivot. And so this is how I kind of cook. This is how we eat, like this, and this is how we do the dishes. And so it's really great for lots of different uses. Really love it. And so then it just pops off there, and so we keep these mounts together, but it's just 2 circles here like this, and this does screw down tight. And we just keep this arm like this, stand it up, and then we just hold it behind the curtain. This other piece, it slides up, and we just leave it over here along the side. And so that's how we store it, and of course that just stays right there. And so that's our table. I don't know, it has made it wonderful. We've used other tables in the past, but we always come back to the 360. We've had the Volvo where it had the dinette and things like that, but honestly, like, the Lagoon makes it really nice. And so I'll put the dimensions of the table down below, the tabletop that we have. It just fits really perfect in this area. But I'm gonna say it's around like 32 inches by like 24 inches or something like that. It's not huge, but it's enough for us to do everything that we need to do. So yeah, you guys, are you gonna be on the road during the holiday? Comment below. Are you gonna be making Thanksgiving meal in the truck? Are you gonna be getting it out? Are you gonna be stopping for the day? Like, what does a holiday look like for you? Like, we wanna know what other people are doing. And yeah, that way we can all just be a family out here together, out on the road, helping encourage one another and sharing life together. You guys be safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.